Have you ever had one of those nights? When everything around you is quiet. Everyone is asleep. But your heart feels heavy. You don't know why. You can't explain it. But deep inside it feels like you've become distant from Allah. The truth is, we all make mistakes. Sometimes intentionally. Sometimes without realizing it. Some sins are visible. And some are known only to us and to Allah. But here's the most beautiful part. Our story doesn't end with sin. Because Allah gave us something powerful. Astaghfar. Astaghfar is not just words. It's a servant saying, "My Lord, I was wrong. I'm coming back. Please don't leave me." Think about this. If Allah closed his doors after every mistake, who among us would remain? But Allah is most merciful. No matter how far you've gone, no matter how many times you've fallen, the door of return is still open. Sometimes the emptiness we feel, the heaviness in our chest, the lack of peace, isn't because of the world. Sometimes, it's the soul missing its creator. And Astaghfar becomes the breath of the soul. Astaghfirullah. One sentence. Yet it can soften hearts, bring peace, and remind you that your story isn't over. Shaitan wants you to believe you've sinned too much. There's no point anymore. But Allah's mercy says, "My servant returned to me." If you stopped praying, come back. If you've fallen into sin, come back. If your heart feels distant, start with Astaghfar. Not 1,000 times. Just once. But say it sincerely. Because maybe one honest Astaghfirullah can change your heart, change your life, and bring you closer to Allah. Maybe this is where your return begins.